Hi guys, my name is Yuna. I'm a student, having trouble learning science subjects. It's hard to understand, my brain doesn't accept it, so I don't remember the new knowledge in the lesson. And I found a method which worked very well, was to ask my friend, Ken. He taught me how to associate numbers into pictures, so it's easy to remember. Or link lesson problems to reality, that is easy to understand and remember.
Hi guys, my name is Ken. I'm often bothered by Yuna, with weird questions. But in return, after trying to explain it to her, it helped me understand the problem better, and have more presentation skills. The way I don't talk about the right side, but focus it on the wrong and illogical, helps the questioner to see the problem. Learning from mistakes helps you experience inference, and learn many things. They have to imagine themselves, it's easy for them to understand and remember for a long time.
Hi Ken, today I want to ask about voltage, what is it?
Before I answer, I want to know how do you understand it?
Here is electrical circuit, battery as the power source. Load is light bulb. And turn it on and off with a switch. I try to turn it on. The electric potential difference, or voltage of a battery is energy to force atom moving in electrical circuit. The higher the voltage, the faster atoms moving and the brighter the bulb.
Okay, so what do you want to ask?
What is parallel connection, and serial connection? I think using serial connection is more beneficial, I got more voltage. Is it right to think like that? What is DC voltage source, and AC voltage source?
Electric potential difference, or voltage of a battery is energy to force atom moving. So you can imagine, it's like water in tank, under gravity generate force, pressure here like voltage. Parallel connection, like connecting two water tanks at the same height of 1.5 meters. Serial connection, like connecting two water tanks to increase the height higher, so the pressure in the water also increases. Depending on the height difference, we have different pressure. The pressure is different, so the water flow at position A is weaker than at position B. The serial connection gives you more pressure or voltage, it also has a stronger water flow. But the usage time will be shorter, which means battery faster out. Parallel connection, the pressure or voltage stays the same, the water flow is not stronger. But the ability to store more, the battery lasts longer. So depending on the purpose of use, you choose the appropriate connection type.
Voltage description similar to water pressure is very interesting, and easy to understand, thanks Ken. My understanding is that 2 points A and B have differential pressure. If I connect one pipe it will flow. Same way, I will try it on battery at terminal C and D. This circuit is similar to a water tank. I connect the 2-point with potential difference to generate voltage, but it doesn't seem to work like a water tank. I measured equals 0 voltage. Why like this? Maybe your link between voltage and water tank is not correct?
One question from Sky, and you come from there, haha. But it's an interesting question. To get current you have to create a closed circuit.
But in the water tank still flow, even though we don't need to connect below the tank.
How to explain? Two water tanks connected to form a closed circuit. They use the same gravity. I know if I don't find the way to explain, you won't stop asking. The Earth has its own gravity, we consider it like closed circuit. Mars also has its own gravity. If you try to measure potential difference, or connecting pipes between them also no flow.
Yeah. Great explanation, I learned a lot. Now that I understand better, I will apply water tanks to think about DC voltage, and AC voltage. DC voltage as battery. Or imagine like the water pressure in tank. AC voltage has a sinusoidal waves, increase and decrease amplitude. I imagine a tank water shaking and rippling, is it right to think like that?
I don't think so, AC voltage not like that. This is an AC circuit. Sine wave form, period increase and decrease. During the period from 0 to A, the current comes out. And during the period from A to B, the current come back. Even though the water surface oscillates up and down, like an AC voltage shape. But the water flow is still one way. So you can understand it's still DC. You can see, DC voltage the flow is one way. Alternating voltage, change up and down potential difference. I would describe it as changing as the pressure changes at one piston. When the pressure increases, the water flows out, when the pressure decreases, the water flows is sucked back. So voltage or pressure, you can understand is orientation of flow, the greater the pressure, the faster the flow will be. Note, the supply voltage must match the load voltage used. For example, I have one bulb with voltage used equals 3 voltage. If I connect to 9V battery, the bulb will brighter short time. And damaged after that.
Okay, I figured out the voltage, thanks a lot.
Never mind, see you later.
Remember to click like and share to help those in need like me. Thank you for watching.